morning. So we are going to go to Butterfly Park today, guys. So I will show you how to get there. So we are here now at Shohong Station. So we are going to exit at exit B. Yes, guys, exit B, and then B1 going to the LRT, guys. Light Train Trail. Okay, guys. So come on, let's go. Here, guys, exit B. Yeah, and then we will go here, guys. Here. So we will go in this part, guys, platform 2, guys, platform 2, and then we will go down here, guys. Here, going to LRT, guys. So let's go in this way, guys, because the platform is there. So we will top up our octopus here. And then we will look for 610 going to Melody Garden, guys. So we will drop off at Melody Garden, guys, going to Butterfly Park Beach. So come on, let's go. The train is here. Come on, guys.
Please mind the door.
Yeah. Ready yan?
Please hold the handrail tightly.
Change mo na lang yung voice over.
下一站係屯門醫院。單程車票請緊握住手。Please hold the handrail tightly.
So be ready, guys. We are almost here at Melody Garden, guys. So come on, let's go. Yes, Melody Garden. Let's go in this way, guys, and then we will go to the other side, guys.
Ngayon, saan?
So don't forget to top up your octopus too, guys, for your exit. So we'll go in this way, guys.
Ikaw pa kasama natin pumunta doon, di ba?
No.
Ay, di ba?
So come on, let's go in this way, guys. Just walk here. So ayan, guys, Butterfly Beach Park here, guys.
Tsaka yung mga ganun talaga mas mura kaysa sa convenience store ng certificate. Siyempre, naka-ESI pa yan. Sakit ng asa. Dito, sakit na kayam. Ay, medyo malayo. Dapat kita natin.
Oo. So let's go in this way, guys. The beach is here. So come on, let's go, guys. Yan, Butterfly Beach Park. So we have a barbecue area here, guys, so you can barbecue here, guys. you can bring along your foods. So it's a big barbecue area here, guys. Happy birthday!
Kumusta? Alin? Wala pang alin. Tapos ready. Magaling yan. Saan ka magaling? Sabihin mo, lagay mo sa abiyon yan. Ay, hindi ko na yan. May box kasi ba hindi ko na, ako lang naman yung mga bilog dito. No, pwede sa baw? Hindi mo sa baw. Hindi nga, dito nga yan, dito ka lang magpintas may karagulay yan. Karagulay, dito may gablas mo tayo. Mas marilasa na siya. Tapos mamay yung gulay, isa na lang. Ano mo ka na, ano dapat? Halika te! Te! Halika. Mana yan? Mana uy? Dami. Sabi ko natin ka na nahihilap ka pala. Hindi na, kain na tayo. Gutom na ako.
Minsan lang, isa lang, boy. 1, 2, 3.
Dapat kasi, di ba ang camping kahapon? Pero alam mo nang ano nung magas, sabi na kung alam mo. Hindi ako kahapon. Hindi pa camping. Uy, baka na yan.
So come on guys, let's go to the beach area guys. So we will take a look. Take a look here. Wow, it's so beautiful guys. Yan. It's so nice here. So ayan guys, that's it. This is Butterfly Beach. So I hope you enjoy my video today. This is John Angelo Vlog at laging nagsasabi tayo pa ay laging mag-iingat sa ating paggala. Bye bye and God bless everyone. Bye!